Good morning, students. So now we are going to see another form of index number. Okay, in the previous example where we have solved some questions, and in those examples the power was in the form of 1 by n, but in today's lecture we are going to see examples wherein the power is going to be in the form of m by n. Okay, so in place of 1 any number can be there. Okay, it can be 2, 3, 4, or 9, 8, -8, -2, any number. Okay, now we know that 8 square is equal to 64. What is 8 square equal to 64? And cube root of 64, cube root of 64 can be written as 64 raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, we can write cube root of 64 equal to 64 raised to 1 by 3. So this is the word form, and here we have written in the index form. But we know that 64 is nothing but 8 square. We know that 64 is nothing but 8 square. So we get 8 square raised to 1 by 3. Now there is one more formula or law of indices, that is a raised to m raised to n is equals to a raised to m into n. एक फॉर्मूला है इंडाइसेस का, वो क्या है? a raised to m raised to n क्या होगा? a raised to m into n होगा. तो यहाँ पे भी आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि a raised to m raised to n है हमारे पास, तो हम लोग ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं. तो हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको? 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 3 लिख सकते हैं. So 2 into 1 upon 3 क्या होगा? 2 into 1 2 upon 3, 2 by 3 हो जाएगा. So I can write 8 raised to 2 by 3. Now this number, this index form number, you can see that the base is simple 8, but the power, the index is in the form of m by n. Okay, so how we can write this particular index number इन द वर्ड फॉर्म? वर्ड फॉर्म में हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं इस इंडेक्स नंबर को? देखो इंडेक्स नंबर क्या है हमारा? 8 raised to 2 by 3 है. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट दिस नंबर एज स्क्वायर ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8. क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? स्क्वायर ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8, दैट इज square of cube root of 8. Okay, or else we can write cube root of square of 8. Okay, so we can interchange the place of root and the power. Okay, root and the power, the places can be interchanged if the index is in the form of m by n. Okay, we will understand these examples with the help of questions which are there in practice set 3.2. So now we will see some questions from practice set 3.2. So the question 1 is, we have to write the given index number in the form of power of root and also in the root of the power form. Okay, so the index number given here is 225 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, so the root power is 1 upon 2 and power is 3. Okay, यहाँ पर power क्या होगा हमारा? अगर हमारा इंडेक्स 3 by 2 है, ओके, सो इसमें जो पावर है हमारा वो क्या होगा? 3 होगा. पावर विल बी 3 और रूट हमारा क्या होगा? यहाँ पे 1 upon 2 होगा. रूट क्या होगा हमारा? 1 upon 2. सो पावर ऑफ द रूट के फॉर्म में लिखना है, मतलब पहले पावर लेना है. तो हम लोग क्या लेंगे? क्यूब ऑफ पावर 3 है मतलब क्यूब हो जाएगा. क्यूब ऑफ रूट क्या है हमारा? रूट 1 upon 2 मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? स्क्वायर रूट. क्यूब ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बेस क्या है हमारा? 225. सो 225. ओके, सो पावर ऑफ द रूट के फॉर्म में लेना है तो हमें क्या लेना होगा? सबसे पहले पावर, सो विच इज द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ द इंडेक्स नंबर, ओके, ऑफ द इंडेक्स. देन स्क्वायर रूट, इट विल बी 1 upon 2 और 1 upon n. ओके, सो क्यूब ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225. नाउ Another form is root of the power. So we have to take the root first. So square root. So square root of power क्या है हमारा 3 है मतलब क्यूब. So square root of cube of what is base 225. 225. Okay. Similarly, we will solve the another sub question. So the index form number is 100 raised to 4 upon 10. So here power is 4. Okay, 4 is the power and 1 upon 10 is the root. 1 upon 10 is the root. So what we will do now, we have to first write this index form number in the form of power of root. So we will take the power first. So fourth power of 1 upon 10th root. So we will take 10th root. Okay. So fourth power of 10th root of what is the base 100. So 100. Okay. Similarly, we have to write this in the form of root of the power. So first we will take the root, that is 10th root of fourth power of 100. Okay, in this question what you have to do, you have to just change the place of root and power. Okay, now sub question 2 is write in index form. So the number are given in the word form, we have to write those in the index form. So what is the statement? Cube of fourth root of 324. Okay, so cube of fourth root. So first we have to take down the base. So base is 324. Okay, then it is given cube of. So cube of fourth root. So 1 upon 4. So it is 3 upon 4. Okay, so the number is 324 raised to 3 by 4. Okay, cube of fourth root of 324. Okay, cube of fourth root of 324. Now the sub question 3 is fifth root of square of 264. So the base is 264. Okay, then fifth root, that means upon 5. Okay, the 5 will be in the place of denominator. So fifth root of square, so 2 of 264. Okay, so this is the representation of fifth root of square of 264. Okay, so in this way we can represent the word form into a index form. Okay, so you have to solve this solved example. Also you have to solve the remaining questions of this practice set 3.2. In the next lecture we will see practice set 3.3. Okay, thank you.